Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. Question number 1. We need to find the double integrals and we have the functions in here. And we know that y is the region y equal to 2, 5 and 1, 3. So we know that this is for dx, this one for dy. So we can put the bounds in here. About dx, we have number 2 to number 5. About dy, we have from 1 to 3. Now we need to calculate about this one, the integration of s squared. We have about s to the power of 3 over 3. So I will put this one going here, and we put y squared or going here. And we put the bounds from number 2 to number 5. Now, we put number 5 going here, number 2 going here. So we have 5 to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3 over number 3. And we have dy in here. So we calculate about this one. And we have 39. So the integration of this one, we have y to the power of 3 over 3. And I will put the bounds from number 1 to number 3. We calculate about this one. And we have 338. And this is the final answer. Question number 2. We need to find the double integrals. And we know that this is the region bounded by this one. So now we need to wrap the function in here. Y equals to s, the graph should be like this. Y squared equals to s, the graph should be like this. So we need to find the intersection in here and here. To do about this one, we have s and s. So we have y equal to y squared. And then we put y squared go to the left or y go to the right. They have the same. So I will put y go to the right. And we have y squared minus y equals to number 0. And we have y and y. We can do about factorization. So we have two solutions. That's about y equal to number 0. Y minus 1 equals to number 0. So y equals to number 1. After we find y equals to number 0 and y equals to number 1. So we put number 0 going here to find about s equal to number 0. Y equal to number 1 we put in here. So we find s equals to number 1. And now we can put the bounds in here. So about this one, If we look carefully about S should be in this area in here, the tiny one in here. We see that S in this way, this is about the lower, this one is about upper. So this one is about y square equal to s, this one is about y equals to s. So the first one for the s, that's about s is greater than y square and smaller than y. So the bound of the s should be from here. That's about y square and y in here. Now let's go for y. We see that y, that's about this area in here. We see they start from 0 and they stop at number 1. So we have the bounds of y from 0 to number 1. And now we need to calculate this one. So we just have only the s, the integration of the s you got about s. And we put the bounds from y squared to y. So we put y gone here, y squared gone here. Now we need to expand this one. So we have the final answer. The integration of y to the power of 4. We have y to the power of 5 over 5. Similar for the next one. And we put the bounds in here from 0 to number 1. So we put number 1 gone here, number 0 gone here. So we calculate about this one and we have 7 over 60. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.